Keep going, not to take pictures. This is a video.
Turun lang, inauputo.
The Order of Tongkukan Natural Tourism 1. Pray before entering the location 2. Which is estimated to be 5 meters deep. We can take the journey to this sarasah fountain from the city of Bukittinggi. By road we can take a 2-hour drive from the city of Bukittinggi. This sarasah fountain is one of the fountains in the archipelago. Along the way to the location from Bukittinggi, there are beautiful and charming natural views. The vast expanse of rice fields, along with the river that flows under it. The air that blows feels fresh and very natural. The road that is passed is part of the famous Bukit Barisan in Sumatra. While releasing tired, there is nothing wrong with us breathing fresh air and seeing the beauty of nature. Sunny weather adds to the clear view. Time to move on. The next trip tracing the rice fields, which are arranged very beautifully. The expanse of rice fields spread wide, spoil the eyes that see. My name is Ijan. Title Sutan Mudo.
Juga dari pemerintah dulu ada janji masyarakat untuk memperbaiki jalan.
The government supports about tourist attractions, but currently there is a COVID-19 outbreak. Another view is presented like rock solids that are firmly standing. And the journey continues to trace the paddy fields. The expanse of rice fields spread wide, spoil the eyes that see. Another view is presented like rock solids that are firmly standing.
Dari,
All levels of government together with community leaders support.
Berarti setiap pertemuan kaum
Means that every meeting is always discussed about this tourist attraction. Yes, still discussed.
Salapih dari itu segitu
Apart
Pak.
from that, how do
Tentang
people take
budaya
care of
Minangkabau, misal bantu aku tari
culture, the
persambahan
Sanggahan
atau
dance, Silit Golambang dance, Randai, and others?
Persambahannya kini menurut apa baar suinan untuk di kampung Pak.
Kalau masalah itu keadaan
About this now, we are hindered by COVID-19, but the plan has been prepared long ago.
Perkumpulan melestarikan
To preserve Minangkabau customs and culture.
Persambahan berarti persambahan untuk dua baradai Pak ya.
Around there are many areca trees which are planted in rows as if guarding the rows of rice fields.
Jadi mungkin itu saja sekitar bincang-bincang Pak. Terima kasih atas informasi. Mudah-mudahan apa yang diinginkan masyarakat.
Thank you for this short interview, and hopefully what we all dream of is achieved.
Mudah-mudahan tercapai.
Amen. Amen.
Amin.
Filled with challenge after challenge that we take through a slippery road and full of rocks.
Biar jauh.
Keep going, not to take pictures. This is a video.
Turun lah, ini nak foto. Alah, tak apa foto. Jadi ambil jalan. Ancak.
What a gift from God for all the blessings presented in the beautiful and beautiful natural beauty. There is no word tired because the spirit of adventure is very high.
Enggak. Kalau dapet ulang-ulang kali. Cek nandain jauh, nah.
The air felt fresh and natural, once heard the sound of jungle birds screeching from tree branches. The longer the trip is getting more exciting and fun. The way to be happy. The Order of Tongkugan Natural Tourism 1. Pray before entering the location. 2. Don't say dirty. 3. It is forbidden to throw garbage in the river. And welcome. In the cauldron or cauldron pond. Which is estimated to be 5 meters deep. From this pool we can see a very amazing view. This is the Saghasah waterfall, or what the local community calls it, the Sarasah fountain. This fountain is estimated to have a height of approximately 20 meters. The coolness of the water can be felt through the eyes and the surrounding temperature. To reach the bottom of this fountain again, we have to go through quite a challenging obstacle. Back through steep rocks, and must have great guts to go through it. It is undeniable that every side of it makes us amazed at the natural beauty that is presented. To get to the bottom of this fountain is a journey that is quite dangerous and full of caution, because it must be accompanied by a guide. It takes patience to pass through obstacle after obstacle. Wow, only the roots of the tree to hold on. You always have to be careful through this road. Yes, always have to be careful and don't make a mistake while passing it. If not careful, it could cause serious problems. This is the panoramic view of nature that is presented for us to be grateful for the grace and blessings of God. This Saghasah fountain is truly extraordinary and gives memories for those who have taken it. Only in this second part of the pool, it is allowed to bathe and swim. this second part of the pool, it is estimated to have a depth of 2 meters, just below the fountain. On the part of the river that flows there are large rocks and fallen trees. It is undeniable that every side of it makes us amazed at the natural beauty that is presented. Casual chat with the community around the Saghasah fountain. The inauguration by cutting the goat. My name is Mas. The title of Mansik Rajo. Yes, and the government supports often coming from the sub-district head and the tourism office here. The inauguration by cutting the goat. The sound of running water, as if it were a natural rhythm from another part of this journey. Beautiful, amazing. I don't know what language is spoken, by the power of the Creator. The rocks behind the water show how sturdy the fountain is. The sunny weather adds to the beautiful scenery. The Saghasah fountain is located in the religious district of West Sumatra, to be precise in Palembayan. Do you also want to go there? You can meet it at a travel agent or local tourism office. And not to be missed, because every path taken, all through obstacles that are always exciting to follow. Time to go back and take the road to the top through the steep rock. Back through the steep rock and must pay attention to safety in order to reach the top safely. Clearly visible rock when climbing this cliff. Always put safety first. On the other hand, what are the expectations of society? My name is Sudirman, title bachelor.
Kedepannya.
My hope continues to be a known tourist attraction. Are the community and government supportive? Yes, very supportive.
Menyokong Pak
Itulah jalan mulai dibuat.
Oh, jalan.
The support given is the road that has been made next to the prayer room.
Surau dia teh.
Ya.
So we all hope that this Saghasah tourist attraction can be further developed and preserved
Ini Pak ya.
correctly.
Itu ah. Itu ah.
What do you suggest?
Bapak ya menganjurkan supaya berlanjut. Coba
Berlanjut Pak.
lokasi lah Pak ke salah satu bapak yang punya.
I
Bapak
recommend
ini.
continuing because the location from the parking lot to the nesting fountain is on my
Bapak ini,
land.
ya.
Ya.
Ini besar keinginan masyarakat ya Pak ya.
So the expectations of the surrounding community are very high.
Biarlah pun bapak nanti sudah meninggal kan.
Ya,
Sudah
ada untuk generasi ke depan.
Even if I die later, there's a cultural heritage for generations.
Ya Pak, itulah sedikit minta informasi kami dan masyarakat di sekeliling yang berharap pun menjadi ladang
Okay, sir.
ekonomi
Thank you
baru.
for the information, and hopefully this
Ya, Pak, ya, terima kasih banyak,
will
Pak.
progress and can improve the community's economy. That's the hope of the surrounding community that we successfully interviewed. Back again to the Saghasah tourist attraction. In the upper reaches of this cauldron pool, it looks like something is still being overlooked. Let's get to the top and witness this beautiful view. Yes, it turns out that in the upper reaches of this cauldron pool, there are many stones that seem to have been carved by the swift flowing water. Let's try to go to the right and still be careful. The sound of the rocks being hit by the flowing water makes us even more impressed. And always be careful, because we walk on slippery rocks. And always be careful, because we walk on slippery rocks. From the upstream, you can see all the parts of the river that flow downstream, namely the fountain. Amazing. Really amazing. And at the upper reaches of this river, there are several other small ponds. In this pool, the water flows calmly, indicating that the freshness and coolness feels more beautiful. It's still not satisfied to wade through this river, but everything has to stop here, and this trip is really amazing. Return the words that were spoken. Amazing, amazing, really amazing. Thanks God for everything.